I'm so excited because I'm going to be finally replacing my rims, and I have these ones. So this is what they look like, and I will show you the before as well. These are the new set, and I was originally just going to do 2 at a time. I was just going to do the rears. I was going to put 18s, but these are 17 again. I did end up getting used ones, so this is a used set, so there's like very minor damages, but the set that I have on now, I originally had the stock rims on, but the owner gave me another set with it, and I ended up switching to those because the stock ones were actually like coated black, and it started peeling and it looked so bad. I don't know what they used for sure, but it just looked really bad and really embarrassing, so I just took those off as soon as I got the car, and I put the rims that I've had on right now. I've had them on pretty much since I got the car because I switched them right away. I'm just going to give you guys a little before and after. So I'm just going to be replacing the rims, and I'm just going to keep the tires I have on because I bought them recently and they don't fit the best, and they're not drag tires, so I really don't like them that much. So I'm just going to keep those ones for now, and then hopefully I'm going to go back to drag tires, but I'm just going to show you guys what they look like on, and I'm so excited. I hope they look really good because I really hate the rims that I have now. I just got them from the original owner and I've never liked them, so hopefully it's going to be a big upgrade, and when I get some better tires I'm going to be really happy to see that change because I'm just super unhappy with the way that it looks right now.